So actually numerology के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना था कि there are a lot of things that are that can be achieved using numerology. Basically थोड़ा सा आपका नेम चेंज और ये सब की वजह से न्यूमरिक वैल्यूज के, सो ये था क्या, वो एक क्यूरियोसिटी थी. And right from day one Ashish sir has made basically उन्होंने इस तरह से सिखाया है, जैसे स्टोरी ऑफ नंबर्स कीजिए या आज का लास्ट का हमारा पूरा ग्रोथ ऑफ अ ट्री, ये इस टाइप के एग्जांपल्स देके, या इनफैक्ट कार्मिक लेसन्स फॉर दैट मैटर. आई वाज वेरी क्यूरियस when Ashish sir had stopped on fifth and my karmic lesson was 8. I was like क्या है, मतलब आगे क्या होगा, मतलब what is the meaning of 8 or what. So this develops the curiosity. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि आशीष सर ने लिटरली इतनी इजीली इतना ये डिफिकल्ट, एक्चुअली डिफिकल्ट नहीं बोल सकते, बट बहुत इन डेप्थ स्टडी है ये, और उसको इतनी इजीली इन्होंने एक्सप्लेन करा कि इट हैज लाइक इट इज जैसे ये रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है वैसे इट हैज गॉट रिकॉर्ड इन आवर माइंड्स. So thanks a lot Ashish sir for this, and the entire student fraternity of this particular lecture. It was great interacting and great questions, specifically from Gaurav on from point to point, and literally these questions have helped me to, in whatever was in fact what I missed has come out from your questions. So thank you Ashish sir, and thank you the entire team for that.
Thank you, Amol. Mohanji.
Yeah, it all started basically. I was interested in spiritual things. I'm a spiritual guy actually. You know it because of my numbers. Now you'd be reading numbers and finding out this fellow is a spiritual guy. So spiritually, I had done Reiki also, and Reiki I did it from Sir's wife only, Priya madam, and I had done 2 levels of Reiki also. And there I got connected with madam, and she used to send me all these things. And when I saw numerology, it was quite interesting because numerology was part of something which I was interested, not as a profession basically, but I wanted to just learn it because, like what you said, I always have the intensity of knowing things. Am I right, sir? See,
Yeah.
I will not go as a profession, but I want to learn and I want to see what it is. That is my inquisitiveness in all the fields. I go into that, but maybe I will not take it as a profession, but I will see that I can use it for myself, basically. So, sort of like myself or my family or my near and dear ones, not as a profession, but for good things. So I just came across this on this one, and I missed the first lecture of sir, which was free of cost. Sir, I got late. I actually forgot it, and I got late. I was in the last when everybody was asking questions. That time I came in, and I thought, array, I missed everything. Then, but I was sure I wanted to join for this course, and at least I'll do 2 levels and see what I can get out of it. And when it started, I felt really good, like the way Ashish sir was actually giving each and every point by point explanation as to what it is. It was like we are very new to this world, very new to this actually process, and doing it online is also a little difficult because these things needs one-to-one basis, face-to-face. But sir had given so much flexibility in the online thing also. All this thing, all the notes, everything was like after one session. In fact, if you remember, one day I told you, sir, why can't we extend the class, because I wanted to cover that 5th karmic lessons also. You said, nahi, thoda break though, because that is the inquisitiveness you come. Like, I want to know what next, why to wait for one more week. That is the inquisitiveness. So that inquisitiveness comes only from a good teacher who gives us in that way ki are ye aage kya hoga. So it was a good session, and yes, like what you said, a lot of questions asked becomes a learning for others, especially Gaurav, and I think Rohan also asked a lot of questions. I was quite silent because I was just learning, because maybe I just want to know things. So people who are asking questions are always very good, because that gives a learning to other people. Maybe our mind may not work in that way. Somebody else can work in that way, and that is always an advantage to others who are sitting in that. So it was good session, and And thanks to all for all this. And I feel it was a very short team with a very good, mature learning. So thanks very much, Ashish sir, for this. And I hope we will meet up again in such sessions and, discuss our things. So I look forward for meeting you and, having some consultancies and all that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you, Mohanji. Rohan?
Yes, I'm very much curious about all these things like numerology, astrology, then tarot trading. But कभी ऐसा like a professional, not a professional course, but कभी ऐसा किया नहीं था. This is my first time that I'm going into this deep into this numerology things like astrology. I have done some, जैसे lockdown में I have got hands on astrology, but on online courses. Like जो Udemy था, but इतना ये नहीं था. But this course, yes, it was a in-depth knowledge like for the numerology, and also like पहले तो ऐसा लगता था कि what are the numbers exactly, how they are doing it. So एक curiosity थी कि how the people are like with the name, how can they change their life. But अभी इस हिसाब से like for 5 days what we are learning, तो एक पता चला कि yes there is a vibration, these numbers are vibrating in one way. So उसके ऊपर हम लोग का कैसे इफेक्ट होता है on our life और हम लोग कैसे improve कर सकते हैं. So ये सब it's a very interesting things what we have learned from this course. Also like अभी like for it is also for me कि कैसे खुद को you have to do self realization like with knowing the numbers you can self realize यानी कैसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग, how to improve our life. तो वो भी एक है how can we help our families and friends if they are going into some difficult path. तो उसको कैसे हम लोग चेंज कर सकते हैं. Like we are just cursing our destiny, but yes we can improve from that also. So ये भी हम लोग को एक न्यूमरोलॉजी से हम लोग को सिखाती है. So and thank you sir for all these things. Like मैंने जैसे आपको doubts पूछे, you were like pinpoint to the doubt. Like जैसे मैंने 2-3 ग्रुप में भी पूछे थे doubts even in during the class, but you were like yes you were ready with the answer. So मुझे भी एक confidence आ रहा था कि okay I can ask the questions and I can get the doubts clear. So it was a very very good interesting sessions, and thank you sir for all these things. And we will be like कभी भी मुझे कुछ doubt हुआ तो I will be always asking the doubts. And thank you yeah Gaurav, yeah you were great, like you were asking the questions again. So like the जैसे doubts पूछे, some doubts मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आते, but you give the ask the doubts which might be the next doubt of mine. तो वो एक हेल्प करता है कि जितने हम लोग डाउट्स पूछते हैं तो वी आर जस्ट हेल्पिंग ईच अदर इन लर्निंग इट. सो इसकी वजह से भी गिव इट थैंक्स एंड थैंक यू फॉर ऑल दिस फॉर द पेशेंस फॉर लिसनिंग द डाउट्स एंड फॉर थैंक यू सर फॉर दिस.
Rohan, thank you. Gaurav?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Gaurav. So, ऐसा sir, you also know that मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ कोर्स होने वाला है. So, my friend Ayush told me he is interested for this numerology course, और मेरे को पता भी नहीं था. But he knew because since he is my friend, so he knows. मतलब last year during the lockdown, sir, I was actually learning about numerology. Like मैंने बहुत सारी videos देखी, काफी कुछ देखा. So it just made me curious. तो उसने मुझे बताया कि भाई ऐसे ऐसे and sir also I have attended your one webinar already. तो वो भी मेरे को आयुष ने ही बताया था. देन आई अटेंडेड वन वेबिनार, तो वो भी मुझे अच्छा लगा था. तो काफी मतलब क्यूरियोसिटी से आपकी इंक्रीज होती है. तो व्हेन आई डिड दिस कोर्स, और एक सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग सर ये है न्यूमरोलॉजी का, जो बेस्ट पार्ट मेरे को लगता है वो ये है, क्योंकि हम सब अपनी लाइफ में सर अपनी बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी, टाइम, मनी उन चीजों में वेस्ट कर देते हैं. मतलब बेस्ट चीज है कि वी गेट टू नो अबाउट अवर पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. और जब आपको अपना पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव पता चल जाता है तो हम अपनी एनर्जी एक रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन में वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. अपना मनी हम लोग कई बार बहुत सारी जगह वेस्ट कर देते हैं, या कई बार हमको ऐसा लगता है दैट अ पर्सन ए इज डूइंग दिस वर्क बट आई एम अनेबल टू डू दैट वर्क. So it's but natural that every person cannot do all the work. We all have got our own positives and negatives. So numerology की जो एक basic the big learning would be for me is that now I know what I have to do. So I'm planning to do numerology professionally, and by analyzing it on myself, like I am also a spiritual person, so I have got this inclination that yes, I can do many good things, maybe in spiritual terms, or I'm also planning to learn Reiki, then healing, like I told Ashish sir also. So उसके बाद जो हमने अपना पूरा चार्ट बनाया, कैलकुलेट किया, आई वाज जस्ट रीडिंग अबाउट द नंबर्स कि ये सब कैसे होता है. सो मेनी थिंग्स वर रिलेटेबल सर. सो इट्स लाइक कि या मतलब कई लोग अब बीच बीच में आई टोल्ड फ्यू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, तो उन्होंने ये बोला नो नो वी डोंट बिलीव इन दिस, ये कुछ नहीं होता ऐसा वैसा. सो आई सेड कि अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता देन व्हाई एस्ट्रोलॉजी, व्हाई न्यूमरोलॉजी स्टिल एग्जिस्ट टुडे. तो इट्स आल्सो अबाउट फेथ एंड ट्रस्ट आल्सो. सो या आशीष सर, वेरी थैंक टू यू. मतलब काफी न्यू लर्निंग, काफी नई नई चीजें आपने बताई, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि आगे भी जो प्रोफेशनल कोर्स अभी आपने बताया है उसमें आई वुड ट्राई टू गेट माई सेल्फ इनरोल्ड सर. So thanks a lot and thanks to all my counterparts. क्वेश्चन बहुत आते हैं माइंड में, अभी भी होंगे वो इस वजह से, बिकॉज सर इट्स बीन लाइक वेरी लॉन्ग दैट इट्स माय माइंड एंड आई वाज डूइंग सम रिसर्च आल्सो ऑन न्यूमरोलॉजी, एंड आई ऑलरेडी हैड वन न्यूमरोलॉजी सेशन अर्लियर व्हिच आई टोल्ड यू आल्सो सर. सो अब बेस्ट थिंग ये है कि अब खुद ही अपने बारे में पता चल गया है कि आप क्या बेस्ट कर सकते हो, व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ, या जैसे SWOT एनालिसिस हम लोग बोलते हैं जिसको. तो ये पूरा SWOT एनालिसिस हमारा इसमें हो गया है न्यूमरोलॉजी में. वी नो अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स, ये चैलेंजेस हम उसको बोल सकते हैं. सो या दिस इज इट सर. थैंक यू. थैंक्स सर.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you.